Hello friends, hello students. Today we'll see some more problems depending on rational and irrational numbers. Means sometimes the question will come in such a way, they give a geometrical figure and they are asking whether the measurement is rational or irrational. Means see, now I am taking a figure, quadrilateral I am taking. Now I am taking a quadrilateral. Okay, this is the quadrilateral. So one side is 3 centimeters, the other side is 4 centimeters. Let it be length is 4 and breadth is 3. This is the diagonal. This is the diagonal. The question is, this length of the diagonal is rational or irrational? The question is, the length of the diagonal is rational or irrational? Means belongs to Q or Q bar. Okay, belongs to means this length is in rational number set or in irrational number. That is the meaning of belongs to. So here, to find out the diagonal, see this triangle. Leave it about the upper triangle. See this lower triangle. This is a right angle triangle. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. So this length equal to length square, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So 9 plus 16, which equal to how much? 25. Now length square equal to 25. Length equal to square root of 25. That is 5 centimeters. So this 5 is a rational number. 5 is a rational number. Whether it is the length of the diagonal belongs to Q or Q bar, this is the question mark. Means yes, length is what? Equal to 5. This is a rational number. This is a rational number. Sometimes by giving the geometrical figure, they will ask a question whether it is a rational number or a irrational number. In that way also they will ask the questions. So second diagram. So here one circle they are giving. One circle is there. So this is the radius. Let it be, this is 4 centimeters. This is the radius. The question is the circumference of the circle. Circumference means this is the circumference, the border. The circumference of the circle is rational or irrational? The circumference the circumference of the circle, rational or not? Rational or not? This is the question. Okay, so now circumference of the circle, what is the C? Equal to 2 pi r. This is the formula. 2 pi r. So 2 pi, what is r? R is 4 centimeters. Means 4 2s are 8 pi. What is the answer? 8 pi. We know that pi is an irrational number. Pi is an irrational number means if you multiply this irrational number with any integer, the whole value will become irrational. So this is what? Irrational. The circumference of the circle, rational or irrational means it's irrational. It's irrational. Okay. So coming to one more bit. So that is C. C bit. Here square diagram is given. Square diagram. Okay. Only diagonal measurement is given. What is that? This is root 72. This is what? Root 72. The question is, the side length of the square is rational or rational? The side length of the square or rational or irrational? Means side length means in a square all the sides are equal. A, whatever the measurement, all the sides are equal. So in a square also the angle is a right angle. What is this angle? A right angle. So here also we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Side square plus side square equal to diagonal square. Side square plus side square equal to diagonal square. Okay. So this is what? A square plus a square is 2a square. Means you are adding a square 2 times, 2a square. Root 72 whole square means this square root and square gets cancelled. This is 72. Now a square value is 72. This 2 is coming to other side of equality, that is it goes to the denominator part 2. So if we cancel, this is 36. So a square is how much? 36. Now a equal to square root of 36, that is equal to 6. That is equal to 6 units, whatever 6 centimeters or whatever 6 units. Okay. Those 6 is what? It's a rational number. It's a rational number. So here 2 side measurements are given and diagonally should find out. After finding, we got this is a rational number. Here you have to find out the circumference. We got it is an irrational number. So coming to the square diagram, here you should find out the side length of the square. That we got, that measurement belongs to rational number set. Means 6 is a rational number. So one more thing I want to show, that is see. A circle is given. A circle is given. This is the center. This is the center. Now the measurement is here. This is the radius. 1 by root pi is the radius. Given that 1 by root pi is the radius. Now the question is, the area of the circle you should find out. That area of the circle is rational number or irrational. Means the area of the circle you should find out. So this measurement belongs to rational number set or not. So area of the circle, A equal to, what is the formula? Pi r square. Pi, what is your r? 1 by root pi whole square. So in place of r, we are substituting the measurement of r. So pi into 1 by root pi whole square means 1 square by root pi whole square. That means 1 into 1 is 1. Root pi into root pi is pi. Means root pi whole square is pi. Pi gets cancelled. What is the measurement? 1. So 1 is a rational number. 1 is a rational number. Sometimes not only in numbers, sometimes they give the geometrical figure like this and ask the question whether this length or whether this perimeter or whether this area is rational or irrational. That also they can ask. So you should do the problem in this way and find the answer in a proper way. Okay, so you get the answer. So now today I'll explain about the square roots. Today we'll learn about the square roots. Next topic, square roots. You all know, but once again we see square roots. Actually square root means we can say square means what? So we take any number, if we multiply the number with the same number, we say that it's a square. For example, I am taking 2. I multiply 2 with the 2, I get 4. So 4 is the square. 4 is the square. Okay, 2 square is, so 2 into 2 is 4, means 2 square value is what? 4. Okay, so next, so 2 square value is 4. So square root of 4 is, if you take square root of 4, if you take, you get value 2. Means that is square root of 4, square root of means 4 to the power of half. That is the meaning. That is equal to 2. 4 I can write in form of 2 square whole to the power of half. So you know that a power n whole to the power of m is what? A to the power of n into m. This is the formula. Here also square root of means to the power of 1 by 2, or raise the power to half. In that way also you can say to the power of half means 4 to the power of half, means 4 means 2 square. So 2 square whole to the power of half. So 2 whole to the power of 2 into half. Okay, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 2 power 1 means 2. So what is the value? 2. 2 into 2 is 4, means 2 square is 4. This is the square. If you multiply any number with the same number, you get a square number. So 2 square is 4. Okay. So square root of 4 means 4 to the power of half. So 4 value we are writing 2 square. So after simplification we get 2. This is square root of any number. So if I take square root of 9, what is the meaning? 9 means these 3 square. Square root means whole to the power of half. So these 2 gets cancelled. What is the value? 3. What is the value? 3. So this is the square root. No. Cube root means what? Cube root. Cube root means, for example, I am taking same 2. I am multiplying 2 with 2 times. I am multiplying 2 with the same number 2 times. So I got 2 cube. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2. I multiplied same 2 3 times, means 2 cube. What is the value? 8. What is the value? 8. So 2 cube value is 8. Okay. Then cube root value of 8 equal to how much? Means 8 to the power of cube root means 1/3. Square root means 1 by 2 to the power of. Cube root means to the power of 1 by 3. So what is 8? 2 cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. What is the value? 2. Okay. Okay. So when 2 cube equal to 8, then this cube is going to other side. If this cube is going to other side of equality, it becomes what? 2 equal to cube root of 8. It becomes 8 to the power of 1 by 3. This 3 will become 8 to the power of 1 by 3, means cube root of 8. Okay. So cube root of 8, then you will get the same answer 2. Okay. So this is square root, this is cube root. Okay. So depending on this square roots, we will see some problems, some examples. Okay. Anyway, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81, 10 10s are 100. So these squares I think better not to explain. 11 11s are 121, 12 12s are 144, 13 13s are 169, 14 14s are 196, 15 15s are 225. In that way till 20. So we can by heart and we can understand the squares of the numbers. So afterwards we should do some calculation. Okay, so coming to this problem, see, I am taking square root of 0.04 is there. Square root of 0, find the value, that is the question. Means here, by seeing the question, if you have the this is 2, this is 4. 4 means what? Square root of 4 is 2. Here 2 decimals are there. So 2 decimals will cut off. Square root of means 2 decimals will become 1 decimal. So square root of 4 is 2. So the answer is 0.2. By seeing directly we can say, how madam, means square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 2 decimals is 1 decimal. Okay. So 0.2. How to calculate? If we want to calculate, means see, so square root of 0.04 means what? I am converting a decimal into fraction. So 4 divided by 2 decimals are there, means 1 followed 2 zeros. So square root of 4 by square root of 100, that is the meaning. Square root of a by b means square root of a by square root of b. Directly also we can do. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 100 is 10. Because 10 square is 100. Because of that. So 2 by 10 means you get 1 decimal, 0.2. 2 by 10 means 0.2. Okay. So decimals of 10. This is okay. Next. So you can do the whole work and write the answer, and by seeing the problem also you can write the answer. No problem. So one more bit I'll take C. One more bit similar. So square root of 0.0. Now I'll take 4 decimals. Okay, 0.0025. See, here 25, square root of 25 is 5. Here how many decimals are there? 4. So the 4 decimals under square root of 4 decimals is 2 decimals. Okay. So by seeing you can write 0.05. Square root of, see how madam, means 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Okay. 5. So 5 is there. Okay. So 4 decimals, square root of 4 decimals is 2 decimals. 2 decimals I need, means see 1 decimal, 1 next 2. Like that we will write. Okay. 0.05. No man, it's a bit difficult to me, means. So do the problem like this. So convert the decimal into fraction. 25 by 4 decimals are there, 1 followed 4 zeros. Okay. So square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 1 followed 4 zeros is 1 followed 2 zeros. Just half. Means, okay. So 5 by 100 means in the denominator 2 zeros are there. 1 followed 2 zeros means you will get 2 decimals. 5. So 1 more decimal. 0. Nothing is there, means 0. 0.05. Okay. So in this we will write the answer. In this we will write the answer. So one more thing I want to explain. See, one more thing I want to explain. Sometimes the question they are giving like this. So third bit. Sometimes they are giving square root of 49 by 81. If you are getting a question like this, square root of 49 is 7. You should by heart 7, 7, 8, 8 like that. Square root of 81 is 9. So 7 by 9 is the answer. So no, sometimes you get a question like this, mixed fraction. Square root of 2 7 by 9. This is the question. So now First you convert square root of, first you convert this mixed fraction into fraction. So 9 2s are 18, 18 7s are 7 8s are 56, 7 1s are 7, plus 5 126. 126 by 9. 126 by 9. Okay. Square root of 126 by 9. Now what to do? Now, so 126 by so 3 3s are 9 for 126. 11 11s are 121. 11 11s are 121. So any 11 11s are 121. So first we'll see any cancellations are there. 9 will go or not. We'll see. 9 1s are 9, 36. Here 9 will go. First we'll see the cancellations. 9 1s are 9. Remainder is 3. 3 36. 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. 9 1s are 9. Remainder is 3. 3 and 6 36. 9 4s are 36. So here we got root 14. Root 14. So what is square root of 2 7 by 9 means? You got only root 14. So 14 is not the perfect square. So you will get the answer in this way. Root 14. That's all. Root 14. Okay. Root 14. In place of 126, 121 is there. Then we will get. So see, 9 2s are 18. 18 7s are, we got 126. Got 126. In place of 126, if here the number is different, if we get 121, then 11 11s are 121. 11 by 3. So we will get the answer 11 by 3. But here we got only root 14 answer. Okay. Sometimes we get the answers like this also. Okay. Next I want to explain something so that you should understand. Sometimes we will see some more bits in a different way. See, sometimes they are asking a question in this way: what is the approximate value? What is the approximate value of the following? Means, for example, you see approximate value. Sometimes they will ask approximate value means I want to explain in different. See, in a different way. See, this is a bit root 35. What is the approximate value? By seeing root 35 means you should get an idea. This 35 is between 5 5s are how much? 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36. So this 35 is in between 25 and 36, and also this 35 is nearer to what? 36. So the approximate value is not equal to, this approximate value is 6. I am writing. Actually approximate value, this is the integer value. The 6 is what? Integer value. Sometimes approximate value we can say in what decimal form also. If you use the calculator, you get the approximate value 5.916 something you'll get. Okay, root 35 is approximately equal to 5.91 something you'll get. So if we correct it to the second decimal, then 5.92 you will get. Okay, This is also approximate value, this is also the approximate value. Okay, this is the integer value, this is the decimal value. So depending on the question, so you should answer the question. Okay, sometimes what is the approximate integer value of root 35 means this we are writing. Sometimes they are asking what is the approximate value of 35 means you should write like this. Okay, so sometimes you write the answer in decimal form, sometimes you write the form value in integer form. Okay, so if you see here, one more bit I am taking, see, root 45 by seeing between this 45 means 6 30s, and in 40s we will check. 6 6 are 36 and 7 7s are 49. Okay, so this 45 is nearer to 49, so the approximate value is 7. This is the integer value. Okay, like that. So decimal value, if you take it, you get the other thing, 6 point something you'll get. Okay, next one more bit time, see, root 2 is there. Root 2, 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. So this 2 is nearer to 4 or 1? So this is 1 integer value. Okay, that way. So these are some examples. So I think you understood it. So coming to cube roots, I'll show some examples of cube roots, how to find out the value. So okay, find the value of now I'm taking okay, find the value of cubed root of 125. So by seeing the number 125 equal to 5 cube, because I know the values of 5 cube, 4 cube, 2 cube, in that way, then I can directly explain. But sometimes you don't know what to do. Just do the short division. So in units place 5 is there, then 5 will go. Okay, this is the divisibility property. 5 2s are 10, 2 is the remaining, 2 5 25, 5 5s are again 5 5s are, this is 5 cube. So cubed root of 5 cube. So already I said 5 cubed root of means whole to the power of 1 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. What is the value? 5. Some actually I want to explain some divisibility properties. See, divisibility properties, simple properties. See, in units, if the any number is given, units place is divisible by 2, the whole number is divisible by 2. Means, for example, 256 is there. This is the units place. If this is divisible by 2, the units place is divisible by 2, the whole number, the given number is divisible by 2. This is the divisible property of 2. By seeing the number, we can divide with certain number. Okay. No. What is the divisibility property of 3? I am taking 2, 4, 6. I am taking 246. Okay. For the divisibility property of 3, you should add all the given digits. If the sum of the digits is what? 10, 12. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. The given number is divisible by 3. Sum of the digits, you should check, is divisible by 3. Yes, 12 is divisible by 3. So 246 is divisible by 3. So this 12 is divisible by 3. Given number is divisible by 3. Okay, so this is divisibility property of 2, this is divisibility property of 3. What is the divisibility property of 4? So now 248 I am taking. Just I want to explain you. Here you should check only units and tens place. This, if you check only units and tens place, this 48 is divisible by 4. The given number is divisible by 4. Units and tens becomes 48. Okay, so this 48, okay, what is this? Units and tens, 40 is divisible by 4. The given number is divisible by 4. Okay, coming to 5. Okay, now I am taking 250 or 265, whatever it is, just two numbers. In the units place 0 or 5, any number is there. In the units place 0 or 5 is there, the given number is divisible by 5. So units place, in the units place 0 or 5 is there, the given number is divisible by 5. So these 4 are enough to divide any number. Okay, these 4 properties are enough. If 2 is not going, 3 is not going, 4 is not going, 5 is not going, just check with 7, with the direct division. Okay, do the direct division with 7. So it is enough. Then any division you can do by using these 4 divisibility properties. Okay, so because by seeing the number, I started with 5 now here, because of that I showed the divisibility properties. Okay, so one more example I will give you. See, what is the cube root of? Means find the value of. So now cube root of 0.001 means, see, cube root of, so here you should do first cube root of. By seeing the question we can say, so cube root of means 3 decimals are there, 3 decimals will become 1 decimal. So cube root of 1 cube is 1, so directly you can say 0.1. Cube root of means in 3 decimals, cube root of 3 decimals will become 1 decimal. So 1 cube root of 1 is 1. So no, I don't know how to do the problem. Is first convert this decimal into fraction. 1 by 1 followed 3 zeros. So cube root of 1 by 1 is also equal to 1 cube is also equal to 1. Okay, 1 you can write 1 or 1 square or 1 cube or 1 to the power of 4 or 1 to the power of n. So each and every one's answer is 1 only. Okay, so next 1 by 1 followed 3 zeros means write 10 cube. This is 10 cube. 1 followed 3 zeros means what? 10 cube. 10 square is 100. 10 cube is 1000. Okay, so 1 by 10 whole cube. So 1 by 10 whole cube to the power of 1 by 3. Cube root I am changing into 1 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. What is the answer? 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means what? Convert into decimal form. 0.1. So in this way we'll do the problems. One more thing, if now I am taking cube root of -8. If negative numbers are there, how to do? Okay, so my odd number of times you multiply minus, you get minus. See, minus into minus 2 times, even number of times is plus, but minus into minus 3 times, odd number of times is minus. Minus into minus into minus into minus into minus, how many odd number of times? 5 times, again minus. Because see, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus. Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, like that. So here we'll write -8 as -2 whole cube. -2 into -2 into -2 will get -8. Okay, so -2 whole cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. -2 is the answer. -2 is the answer. One more bit I'll show you. One more bit. That is, one more bit. Cube root of -1000. So cube root of -1000 means 10 cube is 1000, minus 10 cube is -1000. Okay, so -10 cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. Answer is -10. Answer is -10. Okay, this is the way of doing the problems. If they ask the question, cube root of -1, how much? -1 into -1 into -1 is -1. -1 whole cube root of. So -1 whole cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. This is -1. Okay. So if they ask what is the value of my cube root of -4, then we can't say anything, because -4 is not a perfect cube. It's not perfect square, because minus into, if you multiply minus even number of times, you get plus value. Here -4 value is there. Because of that, it's not the perfect square, it's not the perfect cube. So -4 whole to the power of 1 by 3 will write. That's all. Okay. If my cube root of 25, this is positive value, no? Then what to do? Cube root of 25 means, first cube root of 25 means 5 square. Okay. So 5 square whole to the power of 1 by 3. That is, if you multiply 2 into 1 by 3, 5 to the power of 2 by 3. This is the answer. If you get the questions like this, you simplify like this. Okay, but you won't get the integer value like this. Okay, here you got the decimal value, but here you got the integer value. So rational numbers. Okay, but here this value is different. Okay, so such type of question is given, we write like this, and such type of question is given, we write the answer, we do the answer like this. Okay, so thank you for today. Tomorrow we'll continue.